I want to talk more about unique ways to stylize the image that you're working with and just creating an overall more creative prompt. So let's start with a simple subject for our prompt. So we're going to say a dog. Dog in the 1800s. So we're going to keep the same subject and we're going to change the stylizing of where the dog is. So let's do in the 1800s. And we're going to do 1990s. And we're also going to do keyword locations. Sweet. So as it's outputting some more of these options, let's first look at the time traveling that we're making the dog do. So we have our dog in the 1800s, does a great job of lighting, does a great job of coloring, and does a great job of just capturing the feeling of that specific time period. And we have a dog in the 1990s that has more of a retro feel. I really like what it did with the bottom right. So, and now that we made this dog time travel, let's look at the different locations. Boom, we got our dog in the jungle and we have our dog in the snow. And so ideally, this is really opening your mind that even if you aren't a graphic designer or have massive painting experience or photography experience, that you'll be able to creatively use your words to determine and get the ideal output that you want from this platform. So this is a magic genie that you're telling it where to go, what to create, and if you do it in the correct way through what we're learning, you're going to be able to create whatever you'd like to create for professional and personal projects.